In Chapter 19 of Fight Club, by Chuck Palahniuk, the narrative delves deeper into the core ideologies that underline Project Mayhem's operations, mainly through the actions and words of the mechanic who is closely aligned with Tyler Durden's philosophy. As the mechanic drives, he engages in a philosophical dialogue, essentially giving voice to Tyler's anarchistic and nihilistic worldview. He presents the concept of a near-life experience to the narrator, a twisted take on the common notion of a near-death experience. This idea serves to highlight the banality and emptiness of modern existence as viewed through the lens of Tyler's philosophy, suggesting that true living is found at the edges of extremity and danger, far from the comfort and safety that society strives to provide. The mechanic's commentary also touches upon the wasted potential of modern men, describing them as the strongest and smartest men who have ever lived, yet relegated to menial and demeaning jobs like pumping gas and waiting tables. This reflects Tyler's disdain for the consumerist society that, in his view, emasculates and wastes human potential. It's a call to arms for men to reclaim their inherent strength and intelligence by breaking free from the shackles of societal expectations and norms. The destination of their drive is a medical waste incinerator, where the narrator, the mechanic, and their followers, dubbed space monkeys, aim to steal bags of liposuctioned fat. This act of theft is rich in irony and serves multiple purposes within the narrative. Firstly, it is a direct attack on the vanity and consumerism of society, with the plan to turn the stolen fat into soap that they intend to sell back to the same people who paid to have it removed, showcasing a grotesque cycle of consumption and waste. Secondly, it represents a form of reclaiming and repurposing that ties back to the novel's themes of destruction as a form of creation, and the idea that from the ugliness and waste of society, something pure and useful can be crafted, albeit through twisted means. Chapter 19 encapsulates the essence of Fight Club's critique of modern society through a blend of action, dark humor, and philosophical discourse. It underscores the allure and danger of Tyler's ideology as it begins to take more concrete and increasingly radical forms through Project Mayhem's activities. This has been another Bookly Crash Course. Thanks for watching the video. Please leave a like and a comment to help out the Bookly Crash Course channel.